This is Biochemistry Part 2 out of 3 total videos. An isomer is a molecule with the same molecular formula as another molecule, but with a different chemical structure. That is, isomers contain the same number of atoms of each element, but have different arrangements of their atoms. Butane and isobutane have the same number of carbon and hydrogen atoms, so their molecular formulas are the same. However, each one has a different structural formula, which shows how the atoms are arranged. Therefore, we can say that butane and isobutane are structural isomers. Monosaccharides are the most basic unit of carbohydrates. They are fundamental units of carbohydrates and cannot be further broken down to simpler compounds. Examples of monosaccharides include glucose, fructose, and galactose. Monosaccharides are the building blocks of disaccharides, such as sucrose or lactose, as well as the building blocks of polysaccharides, such as cellulose or starch. Isotopes are variants of a particular chemical element which differ in neutron number. All isotopes of a given element have the same number of protons in each atom. The meaning behind the name is that different isotopes of a single element occupy the same position on the periodic table. A steroid is an organic compound with 4 rings arranged in a specific molecular configuration. Examples include the dietary lipid cholesterol and the sex hormone testosterone. Steroids have 2 principal biological functions. Certain steroids, such as cholesterol, are important components of cell membranes, which alter membrane fluidity, and many steroids are signaling molecules which activate steroid hormone receptors. Muscles are composed of 2 major protein filaments, a thick filament composed of the protein myosin and a thin filament composed of the protein actin. Muscle contraction occurs when these filaments slide over one another in a series of repetitive events. Collagen forms the connective framework of your muscles, bones, tendons, skin, and cartilage.